Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. To deliver a welcome speech, I would like to invite His Excellency Hamad Ubaid Al-Zabi, the Ambassador of UAE.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. His Excellency Asif Ali Zardari, the President of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. His Excellency Muhammad Shahbaz Sharif, Prime Minister of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Your Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good evening all, and welcome you to the 53rd National Day reception of the United Arab Emirates. Today, we celebrate our founding father vision to unite a nation that would develop on the principle of tolerance, innovation.
मुत्तहिदा अरब अमारात के 53वें कौमी दिन की तकरीब वज़ीर आज़म शहबाज शरीफ इस तकरीब में शरीक हैं।
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening. On behalf of the people of Pakistan and my government, I would like to extend Your Excellency our warmest felicitations and the brotherly people of United Arab Emirates on their 53rd National Day. Today we celebrate UAE's remarkable journey towards progress and prosperity, as well as their unwavering support and friendship with the people of Pakistan. Pakistan is immensely proud of unimaginable achievements which UAE has undertaken in the last few decades. First, under the most visionary leadership of President late Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan, who was not only a great friend of Pakistan, but he deeply loved the people of Pakistan, and his generous contributions in the field of health, education, airports, infrastructure in Pakistan is known to all and sundry. We salute his wisdom and his sagacity. And today, Your Excellency, his great work is now being carried by his dynamic son, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed, President of UAE. His proactive approach towards transforming UAE, along with the ruler of Dubai, Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid, and their mutual achievements has really made a great place in the Community of Nations for UAE. Your Excellency, today, while we celebrate this great occasion, I would like to reaffirm Pakistan's unwavering support for UAE's territorial integrity and sovereignty. And we deeply appreciate UAE's support to Pakistan. Recently, I was in Abu Dhabi. We are waiting anxiously for the visit of President of UAE very soon. And we are absolutely deeply engaged to promote investment, trade, and of course, in projects through G2G interventions. I have no words to thank my brother, President Mohammed bin Zayed, for his support to Pakistan at very critical junctures, and as recently as IMF's program. Without UAE's support, this program could not have been achieved. Your Excellency, I will not take much of your time this evening because this huge crowd, mashallah.
मुत्तहिदा अरब अमारात के 53वें कौमी दिन की मुनासबत से तकरीब वज़ीर आज़म शहबाज शरीफ खिताब कर रहे हैं।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।